Yeah, I mean, usually for us it's all about speed. This time it's not about the speed, but about the experience to discover, beautiful landscape. Be out in the nature, see the animals in their home, and it was exciting. We saw 3 out of the big 5, and we saw Elfyn, so it was good. A little bit more spectacular, but the pilot was that good. He managed super well. If you have the opportunity, why not? We miss out the giraffe, so it would be good to go again.
It's very important to have this visit to the Maasai Mara. First and foremost, to have our visitors, the rally drivers, enjoy the magical Kenya, just to really come and relax, see what we have. And the reason is, first of all, it's part and parcel of our Kenyan hospitality. Secondly, is to be able to guess the beautiful attractions that we have in our country. Today they have gotten first-hand experience about it, and I'm very sure the story they will tell there is amazing.
Na timu ya mupira wa maguru ya goko Florida ni Harambee Stars ni mariki